Hey y'all. This your girl Tonetta from Cookies and Ish. I want to say welcome to this video. Thank y'all for being here. Today is an unboxing. I actually have a whole lot of stuff that I got last week actually, but I'm only unable to unbox one of them, which is this from Amazon. The other ones are very heavy. It's a big old folding table. One of those like event tables you can put stuff on, party tables, whatever you want to call it. I have one of those that came from Walmart, so that's awesome. And I have a red tent over here. You all can't see it though, but I have a tent. One of those big old tents to like go over the table when I'm out doing events and that kind of thing. Or once I get to do some events and that kind of thing. So I got the tent, two chairs, two of those little metal chairs, a table, I think it's a 6-foot folding table. Carrying folding table, I want to say it's 6 feet. I got that, and like I said, I'll definitely unbox this today for y'all. I'm all excited. So like I said, I'll definitely unbox this for y'all today. But before I get started, I do want to let y'all know, of course, the cookie shop is open, of course, today, Saturday what's the date? The 17th. And tomorrow, Sunday the 18th, from 2 to 4 p.m. Just keep in mind, you can just send me a message, or whether it's through text or in the numbers on this page on different flyers and posts that I have here, and just on the page in the about section as well. You can send me a text, give me a call, or just message me here on Facebook. It's fine, wherever you see this video, to let me know that you're coming by, so I can make sure to, of course, anticipate you as well. Any other times outside of that, like I said, you have to still message and that kind of thing to see if I'm home. If I'm home, of course, you can come get a cookie or a pack of cookies or however you want to do it. So, but like I said, those are my standard hours for now. I know that they will change. I guess I put it that way as well, moving on into the fall season. But since I'm new here, we just got here. It's actually our first 2 months here in Tucson. So, like I said, I'm just trying to get used to the area, trying to get used to the people, that kind of thing, to see what y'all like, see what you don't like, see what you want to add to the items I have, that kind of thing. Just trying to get a gauge of who you all are. I guess I put it that way. And of course, I've met some of you, so I love that. I've always loved meeting people. So I look forward to meeting some more of you today at the cookie shop and tomorrow. Like I said, between 2 and 4 are the hours as of right now, but they will change, just to let y'all know. Anything else? Oh, I did a video yesterday asking you all about sandwich cookies. Some of you all may have seen the big cookies that I have here, but I actually want to start making some type of sandwich cookie like I used to back in the past. So I'm just trying to find out whether y'all like sandwich cookies. Like I said, I'm trying to gauge out what y'all like here. So like I said, definitely let me know if you like sandwich cookies. The ones I have made have been, of course, buttercream sandwich cookies, which is regular traditional vanilla buttercream. I've made the cheesecake ones. I've made chocolate ganache filled ones. I've made caramel filled ones, all types of stuff, and caramel buttercream. Like I said, cheesecake, I made that kind of fit like a cheesecake buttercream. I've made all those types of things. So like I said, definitely let me know what y'all like, so I can get to making it for y'all. If not, I'll make what I like. I guess I put it that way, what I think y'all would like. But like I said, I definitely want to hear from y'all to see what y'all may like before I just throw some on you like, what is this? I don't know about these things. So let me know, y'all. Let me know. I'm trying to get my little pillow down here. My little ladybug. I have a cute little pillow pet. She's so cute, this ladybug. She's so cute. One of my animals. She's so cute. But like I said, let me go ahead and get this box open, y'all. Like I said, I ordered this from Amazon this past week. And they all actually came Wednesday and Friday, actually. So this came yesterday when I came home for lunch. This and the table came yesterday, actually. Actually, no, but the tent and the chairs came last week. I'm sorry. Forgot those actually came last week, not this week. Whoa. Trying to get this box open, y'all. I want to break myself in half. Cut my own self up. Okay, there we go. I'm trying to get the little cut right there. Unboxing. I've always loved unboxing. I've done baking stuff unboxings. I've done unbookings, unboxings. And I've done all types of stuff unboxing, y'all. I love this part. One of my favorite things. And as always, there's some stuff in here, y'all. Trying to make sure y'all can still see me. And y'all know I love these things. My big old kid, I love stuff like this. Okay, that's enough of that, y'all. There's a lot of this stuff in here. I wish it was the little tiny one so I can just all day long. I love those. Those are my favorite, actually. So, here's my first thing. I don't know which one is which, y'all. So let me just measure this. Okay, now I can tell you which one is which. Let me set the box right there. Okay, so These are resealable bags. These are the 7x10 bags. Because I know a lot of the cookies that I have made will not fit into those 5x5 bags. They're so doggone big, 5" by 5" because they're so doggone big. So I had to order some 7" by 10. So a 7" this way, what the width, the height is 10. So like I said, I ordered these, and they're resealable. I actually like these. These are cute, y'all. Looks just like, I guess the other ones, but they're just bigger. But I like these, y'all. And like I said, these are the... Did they send me the wrong thing? I'm looking at this. It looks like they sent me the wrong thing, y'all. No, it said resealable. Okay, well, maybe it just looks different from these. Because I'm used to like the little top on these. They have like that little strip that you pull off, but these look like they're a little bit different. So it looks like you can still pull the strip off at the top. I'm trying to see here. It looks a little bit different from those. Oh, crap. Lord. Okay. I'm like, Lord. It just looks a little different. It has like a clear top. That's what it is. I'm like, why do these look so different? But it's still clear. And like I said, these are the 8x10. Just because I know some of the cookies, like I said, have not fit into the 5x5. And I did not want to have that problem again where the cookies are so big they wouldn't fit. They so wide they wouldn't fit anything except for a cello. What is that stuff called? The wrap, the plastic wrap. It looks okay in there, but I want mine to look a little bit more professional than that. So I had to make sure that I order some so they can fit in. I guess I put it that way. And like I said, these are the 8x10 plastic cellophane bags. You could use these for, of course, cookies, candies, anything you want to use it for. Pictures or whatever. So like I said, y'all. All right, man. Let me see what this has on the side, actually. I'm kind of confused on what that is. Oh, this is at the bottom anyway. Lord, wrong one. It's on this side. Okay. Oh, it just has like a little thing on the side. Okay. And I wonder what that was. I like those. All right. I like those, y'all. Like I said, y'all will be seeing these very soon. As soon as I make some more cookies. Because the other ones I already made, they already have the plastic wrap on them, actually. So can't do nothing about that until I can run out of those and go ahead and use the new ones. I'm going to use the new bags for the new ones. And these right here, y'all, are some... Let me get this out the way. Let's scoot it over. Okay. Now, these are some round aluminum pans so that I can start making more cookie cakes. I actually have one on my counter now that I'll be making some cookie cakes today, actually during the shop opening. I mean, yeah, I'll be making some cookie cakes then, but like I said, these are going to be some cookie cakes, y'all. These are about 1.5 inches, 2 inches deep. And, of course, it has a clear lid to go on top if y'all can see that lid, too. So, like I said, the cookie cakes that I'm looking to make, actually just like the cookies almost, but they'll have more toppings on them. Whether it's more toppings of candy like M&Ms or it's baked into the crust or pieces of like Rolos or other melted chocolates or caramels, turtles, well, not turtles, but the cookie and the chocolate and the caramel and the pecans and those kind of turtles, turtle cookies and that kind of thing that you all can enjoy. Like I said, this is definitely either for a birthday or a family dinner, family gathering, that kind of thing. About 1 or 2 of these. And like I said, they'll definitely fill your palate. I guess I put it that way with the sweets. So like I said, these 9-inch pans will be cookie cakes. Yep, 9-inch round pans, that'll be cookie cakes. And like I said, I am baking a chocolate chip one today. That's actually for the apartment complex, for the office, actually. So they wanted some chocolate chips, so I'm baking them some big old chocolate chip cookie cake. That's what they'll have today. So like I said, I definitely look forward to making more of these. And I'll show y'all that picture once I'm done with that particular cookie cake. That's just going to be plain chocolate chip. They didn't want anything else on it. Well, they didn't want anything else in it, like any kind of candy or what is it called, Reese's or anything like that. But I'm thinking to put some little buttercream trimming. We'll see. Well, since they wanted plain, I'll leave it plain. Just regular chocolate chip. So, but I will make another one that will have some buttercream trimming on it. I guess I put it that way. So you can use it, like I said, for any kind of party that you're looking to do, whether it's a quinceañera, anniversary party. Several of these would be awesome for a wedding, that kind of thing too, to feed your guests. Like I said, definitely. Like I said, let your girl know because I'm looking to get more into events. So definitely make sure that you let me know. And if anybody wants to order a cookie cake, like I said, definitely let me know. Just message me up under this video. You can text me on the number that's on this page. Or just call the number, either one. It's fine. Or when you pick up your cookies, let me know that you want one. So, like I said, these are the pans for the cookie cake. I better stop bouncing before I break it. So, but like I said, y'all, I want to bring y'all in on what I was ordering and what's going on with Cookies and Ish. So like I said, the cookie shop will be opening in, I guess, about 30 minutes. I don't know what time it is, y'all. I don't know what time it is. I guess in less than an hour. So I see some of y'all in less than an hour, I guess, to put it that way. Like I said, I will be baking. So I'll be here. So I'll see y'all later, y'all. And like I said, let me know what kind of cookie cakes you may like, or what kind of toppings on the cookie cake that you may desire, I guess, to put it that way. And also whether you like sandwich cookies. So like I said, let me know, y'all. I'll see y'all in a bit. Take care.